Get to making with jive, boy. When it hits you, yeah.
Bougie Duchess here, and the sun is shining on my back, and I'm walking Baudelaire. Let's see if I can get him in the shot. There he is. I'm walking Baudelaire this morning, and of course I did mention to you that my lineup is going to be changing for the channel and that things are going to start looking a little differently. And so I'm out here on my walk, and hopefully he's getting ready to do something. Let's see. Oh, there we are. We're gonna catch him boo-booing. This always gets excellent ratings. I don't know why you guys are so interested in this, but you are. There's the steamy pile. Now I've got to pick it up, so hold on just a second while I let me put him. See this, I have to do this. I've only got two hands, and one hand holds him and the other hand holds the camera. Let's see how I can do this. Maybe I can put him on that one and then hang you guys up here on a gate. There we go. And then I grab my bag. Let's see. Here we go. Got my bag. Hi Milo, how are you doing? Hi Sufan. Okay, let me get over here. I think you guys have gone. There we go. Alrighty, and I picked up the boo-boo like I'm supposed to. Alright, I'm back at you. And I have Bo in the other hand. Hold on. This is when I wish I was like one of those Hindu goddesses and I had extra hands that would just come popping out. And okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Stop. Trying to figure all of this out. So in this hand, I've got, of course, the leash and the poo and Bo. Got Bo right there. And in this other hand, I've got you guys, which is always good company. So out. It's an early morning walk. And I'm going to be doing Bits and Pieces, which is a company I used to work for. But anyway, the reason things are changing on the Bougie Duchess is because I'm working now and don't have enough time. Oh, there's nobody around. Oh my God. There's a helicopter above me. There we go. Anyway, so the reason that the lineup on the Bougie Duchess has changed is because I started working. I got a job. I'm working part-time as an administrative assistant, which is good money. And then I'm also working as a tutor for some preschool children, which is also good money. Any money is good money. There's the helicopter circling around. They're not looking for me, thank God. I'm too old to be that kind of an attraction. But anyway, so it leaves me very little time for filming and editing And unless I start making money on YouTube or here via Facebook. Okay, hold on. I'm so easily disturbed by these masks and the way they grapple around the ear. But so anyway, yes, so employed, have very little time to do videoing, and then not only do I do the videoing, I come up with the story ideas, and then I have to do the editing and everything else along with it. And I know some of the ideas I come up with on the fly, and that's just my creative nature to be able to ad lib to situations, which is, kudos to me to be able to do such a thing, but not very planned out when I do it. Like this will be an episode of It's a Dog's Life, and it is a very impromptu situation that I filmed this on. But it is one of the channels on my YouTube, or it's one of the playlists on my YouTube channel that gets the most views. So I know that many of you are interested in the life of Baudelaire. So I'm happy for that particular fact, that my little baby right down there is the superstar. Hold on, I should just flip it around and do more of him. Let's see, come on. There we go. And do more of him. Come on, Bobo. He's the real superstar here. He's the one that everybody likes to watch. And but with him, it can be impromptu. It's hard to script him in any kind of situation. There he is. He's peed again. Are you tired, baby? Are you ready to go home? You ready to go home? Okay. And I've been so proud of him lately. He hasn't really been eating the cat shit lately, which is a good thing, because it's disgusting when he eats the cat shit. But so anyhow, but I love him dearly. He is my son and my companion, and I think of him as part of my family. And he protects me. I am a middle-aged woman living alone in Los Angeles, and I have to, think of, what might come knocking at the front door. And he is who greets everybody when you knock at the front door. And he's not always so friendly towards a stranger, in general. And I kind of love the safety and security that he does provide me. So, and I may be setting up some filming of him as he goes to chow down for his meal. From my understanding, there goes the helicopter again. So from my understanding, there are some ASMRF qualities to that. I'm not quite sure, but I'm going to be exploring that real soon here and possibly posting that to the YouTube channel. We'll see. We will see. Anyway, I'm hoping that you all have a nice and slow and easy, fantastic Sunday morning, much like me and Baudelaire are having. I wish you all the best today. May the sun shine on your back. May the shades, cool your walk. And may there be a cool breeze on your face. This is the Bougie Duchess wishing you all the best this Sunday morning. Please enjoy the birds chirping and the beautiful scenery as we keep walking on our little path to serenity. He's such a good boy. So quiet here in beautiful, sunny downtown Van Nuys. Hi, Latrice. How are you doing this morning? Ooh. Oh, thank you for acknowledging that my day might be inspirational. I appreciate that. It's just a very slow Sunday morning for me. I love all the peacefulness and the tranquility of today. Because tomorrow is Monday, and it gets really crazy and hectic Monday mornings. I have all kinds of activities scheduled for Monday. Yeah. They are kind of unique, the markings on Bo. Hey, I don't know where you think you're going to. You know I gotta drop this off in the garbage can over here. Come on. Come on. This goes over here. All right, now we can go back home. And we are in the crosswalk. Kind of makes me feel like Abbey Road of the Beatles. My cool little dog. What you looking for, huh? Huh, baby dog? What's my baby boy looking for? Oh, somebody's up here. Gotta put my mask back on. I don't know if many of you know this, but this is the old Fountain apartment. It used to be an old hooker hotel. Here we go, look, there's that fountain. And this is the place where my first sponsee used to live at. And she died here during a relapse. It's a little sad piece of news, and lately I've been haunted by things from the past. I think this is because my support network has been yanked out from underneath me, and it just so happens I live next door to this place. Anyway, let me let you go. Bougie Duchess out, and bye to all my little Duchies.